We know that there are more ways than one to make money. But did you know that the method that we're about to share with you is actually super easy and you've actually been doing this all of your life? That's right, streaming videos is what we're going to be doing to make $450 by the hour. We know it sounds impossible, but didn't we already make a ton of videos before this? What's new this time is that what we're going to be showing you is a new website that we've never actually talked about before that's going to pay you to stream videos and pay you real good money for it too. What's up everybody and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Our website for today is called zoombucks.com. And it is on this website where you can make over $400 by watching videos and by doing other stuff as well. That's right, there's more ways than one to earn using this website, which is great because the more ways to earn, the more money you can make. The ways to earn using this website would be completing surveys, watching videos, and doing offers. Let's go through this website just so that we have more background on it. So how it works is, number one is that there are engagements wanted, which means advertisers want engagements for their surveys, products, and services. Number two is that they recruit members, so Zoombucks will find members who are willing to get paid to do different actions or tasks, and those members will obviously be us. And number three is that we, the members, are going to be doing online actions. So we're going to be taking surveys, completing offers, and watching videos. And in return, we get paid with cash and gift cards. Isn't that so fun? If you scroll down, you're going to see all of the rewards you can choose from when it's time to cash out. So you have PlayStation, Xbox, iTunes, Steam, Google Play, Pokemon, Amazon, League, Netflix, Walmart, PayPal, and a whole lot more, of course. And it's great because whatever you want, they probably have it. And these gift cards, they aren't cheap gift cards. These gift cards go from $100 to $500 and even more. So you're definitely being compensated well no matter what you choose. Now we've mentioned that there are a lot of ways to earn money using this website, right? But what we're gonna be highly focusing on would be watching videos because that's what our video for today is all about. Now it's time we get into the sign up process because you won't be able to get started on anything if you don't have an account to begin with. So if you look over here, you should fill up your email address and then your password twice and then hit on sign up. You can also sign up using Facebook or Google, it's up to you. Now once you've filled those up and you've hit sign up, you're going to be taken to this page where you're going to continue to fill up even more boxes with your information. So we have your gender, your birthday, your first and your last name, and then your address line 1 and 2, your city, state, zip code, and finally country. And once that is all complete, double check if all information is correct and concise. And then once you've checked and made sure, you can now hit on complete sign up. Now you're in your account, but before you can even continue doing anything else, you are going to need to verify your email address so that your account will be activated. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. And to do so, just click
on opening up your email and then check your inbox and look for an email just like this one. And then click on the confirm email button. Then you're gonna see this, and you're just gonna want to click on log into Zoombox right here, and then that's gonna automatically take you to your now activated and verified Zoombox account, where you can proceed to watch videos and make some good money. So if you look over to the left side of your screen, you're going to see that under earn points you have 4 options. So that's home, which we're at right now, then there's surveys, watch, and offers. Now since we are focusing on watching videos today, you're gonna go ahead and click on watch, and that should take you to here. You're then gonna see this, and as you can see, there are 2 partner websites that you can go to start watching videos and earning money. There's Hideout TV, and the offer details on here would be to earn 7 points for every 3 videos watched with ads. And then for Lootably, earn 5 points with every 3 videos watched with ads. Credits unlimited times, and minimum amount to redeem from Loot is 10 points. So let's select Hideout TV, and as you can see, there are a ton of videos on here for you that you can watch and literally earn real money from. Now keep in mind that you must watch the entire video because you do have to watch it for the ads, and honestly it's such an easy thing to do, so it wouldn't hurt to just watch it. If you don't want to be bothered at all, just let the video play and mute it and go about your day. So literally it's nothing and you're gonna get paid to do nothing.
Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue.
Then there's Lootably, and again, you're just gonna select whatever video you want. And for Lootably, you can see how much points you get for a certain video. So go ahead and just choose a video with like a lot of points, because points equal to money. So make sure you're wise about that. So now that you know how to watch videos and earn, another thing you can do on here, aside from the surveys and the offers, is actually referring friends or random people and earning 500 points and more per referral that you make, plus having a portion of their earnings for life. Isn't that great? Now we want you to take a look at this leaderboard and how much all of these people are earning just by watching videos. This is something nice to look forward to, so that you really want to try this method out. So now you know everything about it, which means it's time you try it and make money as easy as 1, 2, 3, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.